I think we should zoom in a little. Oh, maybe not. I
Hi.
think that'll be okay.
Hi, everybody.
Okay, so for your birthday, what's the one thing you wanted to do?
A makeup tutorial.
Makeup tutorial.
Yeah.
All right. Let me go wash my face.
Okay, go wash your...
All right. Okay. So while we do this, we can talk a little bit.
Okay.
Okay. All right, you gotta sit down, girl. All right. She's got her new onesie on. You wanna show it?
Show it off.
Okay, sit down. That's enough. That's enough of that.
Show it off.
Okay, so we have had this your birthday weekend.
Yeah.
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 And so it's been pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you want to do a makeup tutorial, and so I got my makeup all out here, some palettes and things. So some fun colors that you can see here.
No.
Oops, I can't even open it. Look at that. Oh, it's been pretty used. Use that.
You used all of them.
And then
Oh.
this is one of my favorite ones. This has a lot of like, I guess you're supposed to go like this. I have no clue. So just remember when you're talking to the camera, you're gonna be talking right here to this lens
Yeah.
rather than over there. Okay, so you look over here.
Okay, so this is another one.
So that's some highlighters, but you can also use that for some pretty eyeshadow. And oh, I forgot my main stuff. Be right back.
Main stuff. Okay, she'll be right back. Don't worry about it.
This is like blushes, my main eyeshadow, stuff I use like every day. But I think I'm gonna do something different
Yeah.
while we talk and film. I'm gonna do a smoky eye, like a really dark smoky eye.
Oh my god. Like that?
A little bit, yeah. Just this one.
I'm gonna use
I love this one. You want to use this one? All right. Put a little on your face.
Put it all over your face?
No, I usually just put it like on my nose and on my cheek, around my mouth. I really don't do mine. You don't have any pores, girl, so you're like, okay.
Okay.
Alright, you gotta look this way. Okay. Okay, don't hit the desk or the camera moves, woman. There's an art to filming, okay? There's an art to filming.
Okay.
Alright.
Woman.
Alright, woman. Okay, let's get you in the camera a little bit better.
Damn. That's better. That's
Let's
better.
move you over here. Is that better?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. So I'm going to put on foundation. Do you want to put on foundation this time?
Sure.
Okay.
We're back.
So we got foundation. I don't think we need any powder.
Yeah.
I think we're okay.
Okay, what are we gonna move on to?
Okay. So
She's
foundation has sat.
She's the makeup artist.
No. I'm really not.
Okay, what are we gonna do?
Alright. So,
Eyeshadow?
yeah, what color do you want?
I like this palette.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
What do you want to start with? The pink one? Alright.
You do.
Me do it. You do it. You start it,
I don't
and then
really
I'll blend it out for you. This is my go-to.
You're doing like dark colors.
Yeah. I'm hoping.
Are you going like to a party or something?
No, but this is what I'd wear if I like got like formal night or something.
Ooh. Now do the next side.
Right? Because you want to look a little different when you're going out, like doing some. That looks pretty good.
I tried my best.
You are doing pretty good there, woman.
Another.
Just take your time
Take
and
my
like make sure you like get the excess off.
The excess.
Yeah, like
what is
whatever.
that supposed to mean?
Like this. Look, see, like it's on there, and you go like that, and it takes the extra off.
Ah! Please help me, somebody.
Okay, so I'm gonna put a dark brown.
Ooh, pretty. How do you like it so far?
That looks pretty good.
That's the best.
So,
Am I done? No, it's good.
all right. So this is a little higher.
Yeah.
So let's like blend it out. Let me get a clean brush here. Here's a clean brush.
And then blend
Gotta soften it up.
it.
Soften it up. Ooh.
Ooh.
See how that changes it just a little?
So now I'm gonna use blue.
Okay, so this is like
I first started with this color, as you can see, this one.
And now what are you gonna
and I'm
use?
gonna use this blue here. Okay, let's get started.
Oh, I didn't tell them what I was using.
And you already fit all of them. One, did you forget?
Pretty much. You're pretty good. All right, so I like a go-to. It's almost gone, but I use this Makeup Forever. I've used it forever, and it's almost gone. I've had it for a long time, and I actually we went to the makeup stores today, but I couldn't remember the number, so I didn't get it. But I'll just have to look it up in my history. But then so I have this Stila.
Whoa.
And I don't even know what the colors are because I hardly ever use this.
Never use it.
Never use it.
Never use it.
And so this is, well, basically I used this one on the lid, and then I went over with this
That's
dark
really
brown
weird.
sparkly thing. And I don't know what this is. Oh, it's called Soul. The palette's Soul. So, whatever. And
That's
so,
weird.
well, they can't see you down there. Let's see.
You barely can see the blue.
Well, no, I can see it. Let's see. Let's blend it out a little.
Yeah. I think you need to do this. That looks weird.
Okay, so you only have blue like on the inside, and then you have it all over here. So you gotta fix that.
This one, huh?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay. So
now I see
that is pretty dark.
Pretty dark.
And now I'm just gonna keep softening it up.
Ooh!
And I have another.
Ooh! I look weird.
I think I'm putting stuff under my brow.
Okay, now what are you gonna do? Mascara?
All right. How does that look? Oh wait, we gotta fix yours, girl.
Wow!
Fix yours, girlfriend. Here, come here.
What?
Close your eyes. It's just like a blob of blue in the crease. Let's fix that.
I don't really know how to do makeup.
But it's looking pretty good.
Jeez. I didn't know I did makeup that long.
Okay, let's see. It's not bad.
Better.
Alright, better. Alright.
Now what?
No sparkle, no nothing. I think that looks pretty good. Yeah. Alright, you want mascara? Okay, so you're gonna
You
use
said, I never said I wanted mascara. I said, are we gonna use mascara?
do we want to use mascara?
I guess.
Okay.
Sure. Okay, how do I put this on? Do
Okay.
I just go like that?
And just so you know, I am definitely not an eyeliner girl. I definitely cannot do the whole wing thing and all that good stuff. I'm not that. So that probably will not happen.
No, that's not happening. Okay. Oh, we're gonna get started. You're gonna use your eyeliner.
Yeah, I want to use this new one, but I think I want to put on false lashes.
This one too?
No, that's just mascara.
What's
So
false
why don't I
lashes?
Why don't I put on my false eyelashes?
Yeah.
Okay, be right back.
She's gonna put on her eyelashes.
All right,
Okay, so.
got the eyelashes on. Pretty some heavy duty lashes.
She's really crazy. Put on my mascara, not me.
All right, my eyes are watering. It happens. Happens. All right. Look down. And this one is from Tarte. And I haven't even used it.
I want to use that one.
Okay. And it is Parte.
Party.
That's the name. Parte. Parte.
So I'm going to use this one.
Got a little parte going on.
I'm going to use this one.
All right.
And my grandma, I don't know which one she's getting.
This is. Do you want to use a bronzer first?
No.
No, you don't want to use the sparkly.
I don't want to use
So we have this
bronzer.
Clinique sparkly bronzer,
Or should I use bronzer?
and then this is my everyday, as you can tell, everyday NARS Casino.
Ooh.
And what is Clinique? I don't even know what Clinique is. Oh, Sun Kissed. So you don't want this? I think I'm gonna use the. Which one?
I already put on blush.
I'm gonna use the Sun Kissed because it has a little sparkle. A little sparkle.
Is that how you put on blush?
Now you put it on the apples of your cheeks. So smile.
Oh. On the apples of your
You know, for a long time, what they would do is they would put it like this.
I love.
And I was like, why are they putting it right back there? But really,
Oh, I
that's
can
more for
see it.
sculpting.
I can see it. See? So, I'm doing that. And then...
I don't know why I have to put it on my nose.
Ooh, pretty.
I like to look sun-kissed. Sun-kissed!
Do you like it? I put on the blush.
Hey, that looks pretty darn good, woman. Turn all the way this way. Yeah?
Do I clean the brush now?
No, I'll clean that one later. So
Okay.
I'm gonna use my same little one. And then I like to blend it out. I'm a blender. I'm a blender. Blend, blend, blend.
I was about to sneeze, but I didn't.
All right, the one thing I have to do that you don't do
What? Is do your eyebrows.
is do my eyebrows.
My eyebrows are already.
And they have not been looking good. So, but what you can do,
Is what?
you can put on your new
Lipstick.
lipstick.
Yeah.
Now, so where did we go today to get lipstick?
The makeup store.
Yeah, but we checked a few, right? So we went
Yeah.
to Sephora, and then we went by the Urban Decay store, and then we went to the NYX store, and that's where we ended up, the NYX store. And then we strolled by the MAC store. 'Cause that's a little pricey for a 7-year-old.
Oh. I look.
And then, what else? What else? Oh, you got your onesie at the mall. Oh, what else did we do today? Oh, we got your new boots.
My nails done.
We got our nails done and our pedicure. We got a pedi and a mani.
That better? See? Look.
Oh, you need to block that more.
Do it.
Open. Close. Hard. Open. Okay.
Ooh, that's better.
Looks better, right? Okay. So I have to put eyeliner inside my eyes.
Which you don't even know how
And
to
you
do
don't want
that.
you. Yes, I do.
We said that you never use it.
No, I do this pretty much every day. But I'm not going to do it on camera because it looks funny. Oh! All right, we got to clean the lens.
Okay, is that
Oh, it's better!
Okay.
So that's kind of my smoky eye.
Okay, Okay, am I
Oh,
done?
I have to put lipstick on.
Am I done?
What do you think?
Yeah. Okay.
I think my lipstick is a mess, but whatever.
So we're done, and this is the finished look.
You think so? You think we're done?
Yeah.
You think I look okay? You think it looks okay like this?
Mine wouldn't.
Yeah. Oh, and we went to lunch at Red Robin. That's what else we did today, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you had pizza. Oh, pizza and chips, and then you had some left over. And so we're leaving, and I dropped the box all over the floor.
It was embarrassing.
Whatever.
It's whatever.
Whatever. Whoops. Alright, I think that's it. That's your lipstick. Oh, I didn't even use my mascara. I didn't use my new mascara because I didn't need to. I didn't need to!
Okay, so this is the finishing look.
What? Oh, I think we should spray our face.
This is not the finishing look.
So we have, okay, so this is, so you say it.
Makeup forever.
Okay, say that.
Makeup.
To them, over there.
Makeup forever.
And it's called?
Miss.
And this is our finishing spray. Are you ready? You like this?
Did you get it in your mouth?
I did! Ready? Close your mouth. Woo! Refreshing!
Okay.
This is actually the one I take traveling. Boop, boop.
Okay, so this is finishing look, I think.
So this is our finished look.
Peace.
How do you think you did?
Good.
Good? Good. Happy birthday. I love you.
Lovely.